What up, A? Hey, check this out. So I'm using Ultrabeat for the first time, and this is a guy on YouTube, a tutorial I was watching. So I initialized all mine, but you see how his are blue? All of his are blue, or is that green, right? But on mine, because I'm trying to set mine in slot number 25 up here, I think that's slot 25 or slot number 1. Yeah, slot 25, so I can, when I make my pattern and go to the drum roll, I can pitch it out and change the pitch of my sound. But notice when I try to import a sound, it only lets me put it down here at slot number 1. And you see how none of mine are blue, just this one right here. Man, I ain't got no idea what to do. All right, let me know later.